Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply for a credit card from Barclays Bank from your PC. So first you're going to open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar or the search bar you're going to type in Barclays. Click on enter and you're going to click on the link that says Barclays Bank. Open the link, and when the page loads you're going to scroll down until you see the credit cards in this section. You're going to click on view credit cards, and when the page loads you're just going to scroll down to see their list of their credit cards they provide, with of course different merits, benefits, and privileges. Right, so you can choose your credit card that suits you or your lifestyle or your activities, and you can click on see card details. When the page loads, of course, you're gonna scroll down and click on apply now. You need to have opens. And this is a form that you need to fill in order to apply for the credit card. So, do you have a Barclays card, credit card, or have you had one in the last 6 months? If you have a credit card, go on yes. If you don't have, go no. And title, what's your title? You're gonna just select which one's yours. You're gonna fill out this form, and then you're gonna click in continue. Then they're gonna show you a page with their terms and conditions, and you need to read them and agree to all the terms. Then they're gonna ask for other stuff. Just fill in the forms, and when it's completed, you have successfully applied for the Barclays card. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.